Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making an agua fresca or agua fresca. Those kind of sound the same. It is a sweet water drink that you would find all over the place in Mexico, Central America, and in the Caribbean. You will also find them at Mexican restaurants, and they sell them for a lot. And I'm here to tell you, you can make your own all summer long, because who doesn't like an agua fresca? It's very refreshing and delicious, and it has fruit in it, so it's nutritious. It brought to mind this song, of course, because I will be making a watermelon variety. Can you guess the song? Tastes like agua fresca on the summer morning, and we're making a cold drink. Watermelon fresca, sí. Watermelon fresca, yes. Watermelon fresca, yeah. Let's make it right now. Add in your watermelon to your blender or your food processor. Add sugar to taste, lime juice, and some water. For the watermelon variety, you will use less water, obviously, because watermelon has a lot of water. Blend together. Now scoop out your drink here. Look at my very own agua fresca sandia, de sandia, or watermelon variety. Yum. Take a look. It looks delicious. It was so easy to make, so fast. You could make a cantaloupe version, a honeydew version. Think citrus, orange. A lemon version would be delicious. You could make a strawberry version. The possibilities truly are endless. You could make a cucumber version, which would be something extra refreshing for the summer. Any variety that you make is just simply going to be delicious. So let's give this watermelon agua fresca variety a taste. Delicious, refreshing. You can adapt the amount of sugar you put in it. You can adapt the amount of lime juice you put in it. This is great. It is a great, refreshing drink. And again, it's got fruit in it. So I'm just saying it's healthy. Yum. If I can make an agua fresca from scratch with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check me out on Instagram for so much more.